Hello guys, so welcome back to a live stream and let me know if you can hear the audio properly and the video is good, if all is nice. Let's wait some people to join and okay. Uh, Let me send also the message in the WhatsApp community we have created that I'm live. So if you have any question you can ask me. Okay, so here we go. Okay, live. Okay, I cannot see. Okay, my live on the guys. Let me know if you can. Okay, share, copy. Let's wait for some people to join the stream and then we can start with the stream. So yeah, and today's topic we're going to talk about the AI generated content because we have this discussion group yesterday and I think a lot of people are still confused about whether they should use AI generated content or not, and also a lot of people are confused with humanizing the content. So we're going to debate about that today. Just I'll give my perspective, what I think about it, and you can also let me know what do you think about this. And this is going to be a very important topic because I think a lot of people are stuck on this thing and years of hard work and they get no success. So there's going to be a very important issue we're going to talk today on this stream. Okay, so let me send the message. I'm live now. Okay, if somebody's somebody's watching the stream, let me know so that we know that stream is good and everything is working fine, and then we can kick start this stream. Okay guys, looks like nobody's online. What's happening? Is it stream set? Let me check if stream is not set to private or something. Okay, 2 people watching now. Because sometimes it happens the stream goes private, but let me see. I don't think it's private. Okay, I'm also watching it. Nagu at the dance is clear. Thank you so much for letting me know. And yeah, it always happens. I don't know what's happening. YouTube is making my reach of the channel very low last days. Like stream is not going to people, videos are not going to people. I don't know what's happening. The impression is going really, really down. I hope this is just some temporary stuff. It's not some algorithmic changes with my channel because I don't see any reason of doing it. Yeah, it might be possible that last month in August, a lot of people were in vacation, so we are having less views. But yeah, there's no other reason, no other cause of this, like limiting the reach of the channel. Okay, so yeah, all looks good. So today we'll talk about the AI generated content, and for people watching the stream, let me know who you are, where you're watching the stream from. I'll be really happy to know about you. Okay, so I will share my screen soon and then we'll talk about this content. Okay, so how AI write the content is super simple. Okay, this is not some rocket science. If somebody is thinking that it's really complicated, it is complicated. A lot of code written behind it, and how models work, the large language model, all the AI works. This is really impressive. But we have to understand very basic thing, which is very important for everybody to understand. For example, if I ask something from ChatGPT, let's ask write a paragraph on best on iPhone 17 Pro Max. If I ask ChatGPT this question, that write a paragraph on iPhone 17 Max, you see AI wrote a content for me. Okay, you can see this is the content, and this say Apple's 17 Max is latest flagship phone. It comes from this website, comes from this website, comes from this website. So what's happening here? Whenever we ask something from AI, it's gathering the information from various resources. It can be website, it can be books, it can be some official research paper, it can be different things. But it's not AI who is generating that original content. It's always asking the content from different sources in most of the cases. It can manipulate the content. It has the mind to process the information and to present you in different way, in different kind of language, different kind of style, more friendly, more humanized way. So you have to understand, basically, whenever we are asking some content from AI, it is not the original content. And people think that if you're writing the content from AI, then it's high value content and original content. No, yesterday we have this talk in the group, and subgroup member was discussing about it, and it was really nice debate. And then there's a group member, Vaibhav. He mentioned really good thing, that there's difference between when you write content for example, copywriting content is totally different and content writing is totally different. If you're using for copywriting, for example, you want to create an ad and then you ask ChatGPT to create the content for you, it's totally fine. For example, you want to create privacy policy page, you want to create terms and conditions page, it's totally fine to use copy paste the ChatGPT generated content. But if you think that if you want to create a unique content from ChatGPT, that's not the case. Can it be useful? Yes. Will it be original? No. This is true for in most of the cases. I'm not saying 100% is not true, but yes, new beginner bloggers or new website owners, they should not be writing the content from these AI tools. Okay, is there some issue with the stream? Okay, 4 people watching, something is happening. Vaibhav, hello sir, how are you? Sir, share the stream link. Yeah, Vaibhav, I already shared the stream link in the WhatsApp group, I think. Let me see. Yeah, it's shared. Announcement group. Yeah, you're right. Okay, let me share in the, and thank you so much yesterday for the Vaibhav, for you have really nice insights yesterday about we are guiding on AI generated content. So this is really big problem which people have to understand, because what's happening, if you don't realize that AI generated content is not original content, you're gonna waste a lot of time of yours, and then you will say, okay, I write 100 blog posts from AI, but my website is not ranking, my blog is not ranking, and not getting many views. Even you will have the biggest problem of crawl quality not index pages. And if you are like not a power user, you are just using AI to like basic create content, your pages will stuck even discovered currently not indexed. Because how it works, you have these two process. So what happens, first of all, Google bots come to your website and then they crawl your web pages and they say how it looks like overall, does this page is decent enough that I spend more time on this page to crawl it completely and then index on Google. So what happens if you are writing very low value content, your pages will be stuck in discovered currently not indexed. It's also possible, most of the cases, when your website is new and Google did not have a chance to crawl the website page, it will stay in discovered currently not indexed. But if your pages are stuck in crawl currently not indexed, that means from long time, that means your pages are low quality. And this is really important, that do not focus on quantity, focus on the quality for beginners. Is highly important, because if you just writing the content from AI and then pasting on your website, you will have a lot of problems in the future. For example, one big problem, As you might know that content freshness is very important factor for all AI tools and also for Google. So what will happen when you write content from AI? You will have no idea what's written in the content. Maybe you can read it one time, but it's very hard for your mind to remember what you have written in which blog post, which article, or which page. It can be any kind of website. I'm not just talking about blogs. It can be any kind of website. And for example, in the future, when it's time to come to update those pages, update those posts, those recipes, you have no idea because you have not written that content. So how are you gonna update those things? So your strategy is gonna be really fail because you will not be able to properly refresh the content of your website. Of course, there's some seriously very advanced people who know how all these things work. They can take some benefit from AI by generating content from there, but still for the long term, it's absolutely no for all the people. If you have any questions, let me know about it. And also there's some people who reached out to me on WhatsApp that they want their website to be audited. We can audit their website today later in this stream, but I'm having some serious issues on the stream today. I'm using this, I don't know why it's not working. Okay, no worries, let's keep it like this way. Okay, Nepali cricketer, what's up, sir? Sagun, how are you? I'm doing good. Muhammad Arif Ekon, bro, I'm from Bangladesh. Hi, Muhammad Arif, welcome to the stream. Nepali cricketer, hello. I'm from Bangladesh. What's your country? I'm from India. Nice. We have 7 people on the stream. Nice, super cool, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't hesitate to ask any of your questions. And also, I would like to tell you that there's so much nice content on the channel. You can already watch, like I organize a playlist for everyone so that you can just go and watch those playlists, because sometimes people ask the questions which are like already I've created video about it. So please watch those videos. Especially I see a lot of people, they are facing problem with Search Console issues like crawl content not index, redirect issues and all those problems. So I highly recommend you to put some time in searching the channel. Just don't, because if, for example, if you're sending me messages or email, like I will not be able to answer all of you. It's really impossible. If 20 people write me every day, which I'm getting a lot of messages, like it's not at all possible to reply all of you. You can just go here on the channel and from here you can search any keyword. For example, if you have problem with discovered content not indexed, you can just search a discovered and you will find here this is the video, discovered content not indexed. So this is like basics WhatsApp search. You can do this. I know on mobile this does not work really well, but yes, for that I have a workaround. You can go to playlist here. Playlist, the content is much more organized. For example, we have topical authority, like small playlist, 4 videos only. You can watch these videos if you want to get views. Then free tools, AI search optimization for beginners, AI news. Okay, it's my personal playlist, and okay, this is my personal playlist for exercise, everything. So yeah, but here you can wait. Let me see if I can sort by. Okay, I cannot because I'm logged inside the channel. But from here you can find all the places which you need. For example, Elementor place here, and SEO place is here, common WordPress errors are here, WooCommerce place is here, Lightspeed Cache, blogging place here. So blogging, you can check all the videos related to blogging, and I'm sure you'll find, in most of the cases, you'll find the answer to your questions. I have this playlist called Search Console. Yeah, Search Console goes 31 videos in this playlist. If you go to this place, you will find mostly all the answer to all of your questions. For example, you can see here 404 page not found, duplicate alternate page with probably canonical tag, host load exceed, soft 404. Even I have the videos which are like complete Google Search Console tutorials, how to use them, no index tag, redirect issue, everything is here. All the Search Console related issues are here in this video, in this playlist. There are 31 videos in this playlist, and I'm sure you'll find answer to your questions. Please try to watch those videos. It's gonna be really helpful for you and for me. And please do not send DMs. It's not a nice strategy to send me DMs. Yeah. Okay. if you have any questions, let me know. Let me see. I cannot see on my stream. Okay. Delete the schedule. Okay. Your country is India, but your language English. Yes, for your information, Muhammad Arif Akon, we speak multiple languages in India. So English is also one of the official languages in India. So basically, we have like different languages. If you don't know, we speak Hindi, we speak Urdu, we speak Bhojpuri, we speak Bengali in the north and northeast states, and then we speak Telugu, Odia, Tamil, Kannada, a lot of languages speak. So I think English is a very common language. Most of the people understand, and it's not about where I am from, it's not about like where I am from that decide my language. It's about the topic. This channel is technical channel. We talk here on digital marketing. We talk here on SEO. We talk here on website development. We talk here on programming. We talk here about all those things. So English is a language you really need to learn if you want to get success in all these fields. That's why the primary language of this channel is English. I hope you get your answer. Delete the schedule stream live section. There are 2 streams. What's happening? Okay, let me check. No, upcoming is fine, but there is one live, only one live. If I can see right, I think there's just one. Upcoming, there are 2 streams, but there's one live only. Okay, yeah, there's only one live. Okay, so yeah, this SEO dead now. Muhammad Hassan Fayaz. Oh, I don't think so. SEO is dead. It's the people who are the useless website are dead. The cheap tricks are dead. For example, people they were doing keyword stuffing. All those things are dead. You really need to work. The competition is really high because of AI tools are coming. Competition is really high, and there's a flood of low value websites, low value blogs, and cheap tricks on internet. So with AI also the algorithm of these companies like Google, Microsoft, they are also getting harder. So they are much better now to detect the quality content and the useless content. So yeah, SEO is not at all dead. You still use SEO. We still use SEO to get millions of views on our websites every week and every month. So yeah, if anybody is saying SEO is dead now, maybe they don't know about what is SEO. So yeah, that's the thing. Okay, hello sir, how are you? All good na? Yes, Patel, yes, I am good, dear. How are you doing? How is everything going on? Weber, no. How many languages do you speak, sir? Oh, I speak English, I speak Hindi, I speak Urdu, and Hindi is very similar. I cannot write Urdu because Urdu and Hindi, I understand Urdu like 97%. And I speak French, and then I'm learning Spanish now, so, and I speak a little bit of Punjabi, and I think I am fluent in 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 or 4 languages I am fluent, and then I speak 2 or 3 different languages. So like around 5 or 6 languages I speak. Yeah, it's important to learn all these languages. It really helps you to connect with people who are not from your country, not from your city, and it's nice. Why not learn the stuff? Spend your time in doing good stuff instead of just scrolling the brain rot content. Okay, let's do one thing. So 8 people are online now. Just make announcement on WhatsApp group. So let's see if people read the message or not. How do you check this? Okay, I think I've done it already. And with the WhatsApp group, I want to tell you I want to clear that this WhatsApp group is not a help group. It's not like you come here, ask a question and go away. No, it's a community. You have to stay there for a long time. It's a long term thing. It's gonna be a community where people want to stay long time. They want to provide some value and then ask for value and help each other. If somebody is thinking they join the WhatsApp group and they send message, I want this help, and they never reply and think, please do not join this group. It's not a help group. We are already doing a lot of work with the streams, with the YouTube channel, with the comments everywhere to help people out, but this WhatsApp group is not about that. So yeah, please, the people who join the WhatsApp group, they make sure they have already this idea in their mind. Swipe to check. SEO is dead for people who are not achieving their goals. But people don't know. This is the problem. The problem, Weber, I think, is like there's so much misinformation about this field. that people, they don't know what is the truth and what is the lie. They don't know, they have no idea. Because yeah, I don't want to go too much. I already have some video on the channel. If you can watch that video, that how YouTubers and they're making fool of people by their low value videos and stuff, just showing how many $1,000,000 they make, how many $1,000 they make, how much big houses they created, and people get impressed from them, and they're like, okay, now we will stop blogging SEO. Now we will go to crypto. I've seen some channel which has like more than 100,000, 200,000 subscriber. Even there's channel like millions of, almost million subscriber. They're teaching people, now let's do crypto. I'm like, seriously? So yeah, for them SEO is dead. That's true. Okay, 8 people watching live stream, guys. What is up? If any questions, let me know. And yeah, I'm waiting for some people. They are asking me questions through DM. Please do not send me DMs. Direct message on WhatsApp, anywhere. You will be blocked immediately because it's getting out of hand. We have this YouTube channel, watch videos here, then you don't get, then if you really need some help, then go to WhatsApp group. You can ask there on comments, but please avoid sending DMs or you will be blocked like permanently. There will be no exception. Please do not do that. It's not humanly possible. And also some people, people in the group who are very, very nice people, they are giving their time to help other people. And what some people end up doing, they start sending them DMs. No, this is not the, don't abuse the facilities you get it. I know we have this kind of culture, we don't have so much civic sense, but please do not do that. If somebody is, me or somebody else is taking their time to help you out, please respect their privacy. Do not send them DM messages. Otherwise, we have to just close the WhatsApp group and then we move to Telegram or other channels, and there, yeah, we will have more control. Okay, and SEO has had many problems due to AI. Although it is still working well, it has become very difficult. For blogging, affiliate marketing, I need another best traffic source in addition to SEO. That, yeah, but look what's happening. See what's happening. The hype of AI is getting low and low every day. The hype was, nobody was asking anything from Google, everybody was going on AI because it was a better way to ask questions and get answers. Because Google, you go and you find 20 websites, and then you go there, the content is good, not good, there's no surety the content is reliable. But AI, what AI did, AI was giving you, it was analyzing the content first and present you the content, the best content from everywhere, and give you on one single screen. So this was a really nice way to use AI. But look what's happening now. Every AI is having search feature now. So they are becoming more of search engines, because ultimately the thing is that people think they create the content. No, they're also search engines. They present you the data in different way. So now what's happening, they're giving a lot of links, which makes them more reliable, because people, they debate about it. The AI is making the content at its own, and people are not, the people who already are experienced, they are not relying too much on AI content. They say, okay, this content is not the right content. So what AI is doing now, AI is giving you the links from where the data is taken from. So, and how you come to this AI search engine? Of course you do SEO. SEO is the base of discoverability. How you will rank your website, how AI will find your website. For example, if you know the basic of SEO, you know titles tag, you know meta tags, you know how to write semantically optimized content, you know how to structure your page content, you know the intents, how to answer the intents. You need to know all these things. Even that, then after the AI will take your content. So yes, I don't think so. That's completely true statement. Yes, traffic is down. People are searching less on your people coming less on your website, but you still have really bright opportunities to get traffic from SEO. And second thing is, yes, everybody should do social media marketing. Social media. Like for example, and now it depends what you're doing. For example, if you're writing if you have blog like digital marketing, like what I do, it's gonna be really hard for you to create a YouTube channel. But what you can do alternatively, you can create a LinkedIn page, you can create an Instagram page. I don't know if that works or not with this kind of content. And then you take snippets from your content, and then you create like sliders with some information, with some tips and stuff. This might work. Or you can put these things on Facebook, and you have to find what is a niche. Depending on niche, you can always find different traffic sources. For example, if you are into cooking, or if you're into home decor, if you're interior design, you're into fashion, Pinterest is super nice. You can get so much traffic from there. If you're about news, start at X Twitter account. Like if you're a news website, you don't have X, what are you doing? You are missing so much of traffic. You're relying on Google Discover, all those things. No, you should have an X account and then post your news there. The thing is that these YouTubers, these scammers, they give people, they teach people how to do blogging, like the word blogging, but they don't really told them, because they also don't even know that how to technically do all those things, how to get knowledge in this field. They just told them, go to AI, copy paste content, create a website, that's it. No, it doesn't work like this. They even sometime I saw, which is like, you know, in my channel I create always the videos about the bad things happening. We have created 3 videos until now for these things. First of all, I create a website. Do not create the download website. Do not create the pirated music or movie website. Do not create the APK website, because these website, if you don't have permission to distribute those software or those movies, you're doing a crime. It's a crime. You can go to jail also. But these people, they're telling you openly, giving advice. This is not right thing. We create this video. Second video we create about the Dahej calculator. So many people, we audit some website on this channel and we are like, okay, we're not going to audit this website because we have the Dahej calculator. People have no idea that you should not make the Dahej calculator website. Dowry calculator, Dahej calculator is a crime. It's a serious crime. There so thousands of women, they're dead just because of dowry. So if you're creating a website for this, bro, what I do, you have no idea what I'm doing, and so you are like, your intelligence is like almost next to zero. And with that mindset, if you want to create blogging, I don't think you get success. Of course, some people can get little bit of small short-term success, but no. And third video I create about the scam, or maybe you can call it scam or whatever you want to call it. This YouTuber Dhurrati, he's selling his subscription of AI Fiesta of 3 million tokens, where you can use those kind of models free of cost, like unlimited on ChatGPT. Even ChatGPT give you like 1440 around queries every month. So yeah, it's much better than AI Fiesta. So yeah, these people are just making money out of you, and yeah, this is really important for you to understand what is the reality of blogging and SEO, and then you take action. Do not just watch any YouTube, and even not just me, watch other more YouTubers, make your own opinion. Now you have AI, ask AI for verifying the knowledge you're getting from other people, like even from me. Don't just trust me on me 100%. Yeah, only videos are trending. I quit blogging, and second, make tools and earn. Yeah, you know, Weber, there was a, I created this video about, so this guy, he has almost 1 million followers, and he say, okay, create a tool website, and then he show how he create tool website. His tool website makes money because he has 1 million followers, and his channel is about SEO, blogging, all these things. So he told people, like, you can create this kind of website, and then he teach them how to create age calculator tool. And he was sending him money screenshot from, like, I don't know from which things. So if the people like, and people like on the comment like, oh my god sir, you are the best, you are the true, you truly care about us. I'm like, no, they don't care about you, they just wanted to make money out of you. And there's one other guy, he got like 150,000 subscriber, and he was saying like, create one time tool website, never work on this again, and earn 1,000 euros per month. Let me see if I can find that. Do you think, should I do it? No. Okay, leave. I don't want to be part of useless controversies. Okay. And these people, some of them I know, they have like, I don't know, 200, 300,000 users. They're like, okay, we leave blogging now, we'll do crypto. And now they're crypto masters. So funny. Swipe right on your sent message, and then you'll see who will read the message. Okay. Trending chicha. Need fast loading theme for WordPress site suggestion, please. Use any theme. Use the default theme comes with WordPress. You do not need to have like any advanced theme. Like, why? Mostly what people does, they install WordPress and they install any famous theme, and they have only recent posts on the home page. if you have to do that, why you're not using a theme which coming from WordPress? It's much better than using a heavy theme and not taking benefit of it. So it's not about theme. You can use the default theme. What is the 2026? Which is the latest WordPress theme? Use that theme or use Extra, use Generate Press. All these themes is fine. It's not really big difference. Not about theme. And use a, for example, a blog website is super simple website. If you're asking for a blog website, like use any cache plugin. You can use any theme. You will have super fast website. And just optimize the images. Do not like take images from pixels.com, Pixabay. They are really big images like 10 MB. Or compress them or crop them. Resize them and then upload to your website, or have a like tool on your website like EWWW Optimizer or WebP Images. What is this plugin called? WebP something. Yeah, use this plugin. All the videos on my channel. Use those plugins to compress your images. Elementor is good. Why not? It's good. It depends again what you're doing. And then a lot of people say Elementor is very bloated. You have options in Elementor. You go to Elementor and then you can disable the option, the feature you don't need. I use Elementor on so many websites. Pretty easy. I use multiple page builders. So all are good. All are good. W Bakery Builder, you have this good big. Who said it? Gutenberg is good. Beaver Builder is good. Everything is good. This is more like if you if you want to blame on your house a failure, you blame on something. And I think most of the people who are just very small website, they have nothing on their website. They're like, oh, page builder is bad. That's why my website is not fast and not getting traffic. People go to AI and search same things which they can ask on Google. They know what to ask and better feature. Weber, you want to come on the stream? I think there's a way I can invite you on the stream. We should be doing this thing before the stream. But I was super busy these days. Even today I was super busy. There are a lot of meetings today. So I didn't have no time. Like I almost like jump on this stream like at the last moment. People go to AI and search same things which they're asking on Google. They don't know what to ask and how to ask the problem for better result. Yeah, this is the thing. Okay, so I was talking to this friend of mine. He's doing PhD. No, he did already his PhD. So he's working in this company with they're working on like this kind of genetic research. So they're making like vaccines for. I should be doing a podcast with him. So they're doing research, I think, on cancer or something. So yeah, so I was talking to him, and we were talking like everybody's talking. AI is there, and I don't even think like 10% of people they are really using AI for the good things. I think 90% of the people they're using AI for making these animated images, or I don't know, for how to send a message to your crush and copy pasting for Tinder message, all this stuff. Like very less people are using it. You remember when the Ghibli images trend, everybody was making images from AI, and a lot of people I know they install AI just to make these kind of images. So yeah, this is the AI generation we are living in. Pallav is the most popular in comments. Yeah, and Pallav is not here. Pallav is making his website. He is working on his offer, so he's giving also SEO services. So he's making his website for his SEO services. Nice. 10 people online. No, 7 people online. Guys, let me know if any questions. And where are the people on the WhatsApp that are asking me questions? Because I told them also to. Okay, nice. What else? Pallav is most Nepali cricketer. Make another ID with your real name. You have so beautiful name. He's kind and helpful. Yeah, he's super kind. We also have like some people. They were they're very old subscriber of the channel, like Chinmoy. We have Prakash. We have Alex, a lot of people they're coming on stream earlier, but not from long time. But I'm still in touch with them. They're like doing busy in their life and uh, yeah, working on something. True. There is something is I think I have to update my I think this streaming software. Do you guys recommend any software? I know you already told me StreamYard, but I don't know. I never experienced it. I think it's stream only in 720p, and the one I use is it can stream into 1080p HD. Okay. What else? So yeah, we have discussed all the things. If any questions, or we open the audits. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's open the audits. So yeah, let me tell you if maybe we have couple of website. Do not submit your website, guys, if you have not worked on those websites. It's tiring for me, tiring for you to audit the same websites again. So I highly recommend you please submit the website only which are on which you are taking action on my suggestion. Just do not send the website because I'm auditing the website. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's share the screen. So this is the page. From here you can submit the website. People who are already on the stream multiple times, they know how it works. So free website audits, and you can submit your name, your email, what should I focus on audit. Please also write in detail what you want me to audit. Do not write anything and everything. No, mention here, put some efforts that what should I audit specially on your website. Because if I say okay, make nice menu, you say okay, I already knew about it, and my website is new. So if you already knew about it, and if I audit those things, it's not gonna be very beneficial for you. So just please mention what you want me to audit on website, and also write if your website content is AI generated or not. Website URL, are you subscribed or not, YouTube, and terms and condition, so that I can display a website here. Okay, and this is a I'm gonna add this in the stream. Okay, now stream is live. People saying multiple live. I have just only one live session. Wow, what's happening today on the channel? Am I live from the right account or not? Okay, yeah, where we can see live. 9 people watching. So I'm just gonna add the link here. Advertisement. Website audit. Prism live. Okay, I will try. So here's the link. I'll pin the message on the stream. And just before we go, I just want to read the rules very fast. Stream rules. So be respectful, no spam, have fun, submit your website, audit via pin link in the chat only. Do not tell me that please audit my website in the comments. Please submit your website, it makes things more organized. Do not submit your website against Google, YouTube policies, no adult website, no tobacco website, no gambling website. We have very old policy about this thing. They are against all these YouTube policies, Google policy, and also against my policies. Wait for a chance and learn from other audits. Please do not be very impatient that please audit my website first. No, you have to wait for a chance, because in order that you will submit your website, in the same order I will review those websites. Who need personal assistance can book their audit via link in pinned comment. If you're somebody who you really want your website to be audited like fast and stuff, you can always book a call with me. It's a paid consultation. You can always book it. Consider join the channel for members team only. Okay, we haven't done the members team in a long time, but yes, there are some other benefits comes with membership. You can get access to a lot of ebooks and a lot of useful resources. So you can also join the channel membership if you want to support the channel, or if you have any other if you want to get all those benefits and perks on the channel, so you can also join the channel. Okay, so yes, let me see okay, so this is how you submit the website. OBS Studio, okay, OBS Studio all the time best. Okay, I have OBS, but OBS is very heavy software. Zoheb Lala, hi sir, hi Zoheb, welcome to the stream. Try Prism Live, okay, I'll try. So there's one client asking me how much you charge to create e-commerce site, SEO plus monthly maintenance. How much you charge, sir? I don't know rate, but depends on you. You have different rates. I have different rates. You can create your own rates. For example, how much time it will take to create this website. For example, how I charge my rate. For you might know I already run an agency. So how we charge, how we quote. Let me tell you the process. So for example, if a client say I want this website, so we ask him like in detail the requirements, what they want on the website, what features they want. For example, if they want login functionality for the people, they want some point system, they want some reward system, like everything we ask them what they want. And what we do, we create a proposal, we create an Excel sheet, and then we write all the features which are required. For example, if it's a WordPress website, a lot of things already come. There's a benefit of website that everything is already created. But if it's a custom website, we write all those things which will be present on the website. Then we ask for the pages, how many pages you want, and then once we have this, we estimate that how much time it will take to do all those tasks. And once we have this task, we say, for example, it take 100 hours. Okay, if it take 100 hours, and for example, we charge somewhere from like like $60 to $100 or sometimes $200 also per hour, and then we multiply the time. For example, if this takes us like 100 hours, and the skill set required, for example, somebody want like really complicated website, and we will put our senior developer on this project, so we'll charge like, it could be $100-$200 per hour, so it could be like $20,000 for that task. If somebody want a simple website, e-commerce website, it could be like 2,500 euros, and then we ask how many pages you want, or maybe, so it depends on you how much time you will take and what is the expertise on this field. For example, if you're a new beginner, you make website for hobbies and you want to learn from it and you want to create a career in it, don't charge much. It's gonna be learning for you. Start from small, maybe for example, if somebody want a small blog website like 5 pages, like price policy, all these pages, contact pages, I give you can always adjust the pricing by yourself, but you can ask for like $250, like around even. And now it depends on you what you want to get from this. If you already have skills, they ask your own price, but if you don't, if it's a first project, it's a hobby project you're doing before, ask for $200-$300. I think this should be fine. And already please don't make this mistake. Please lock the scope before you create the website. What I mean by that is, if I tell you I want you to create a website, then we have to decide on what is the scope of the website, what will be the features, and that's all. How many pages will be on the website? Because if I give you money and later I will say, okay, you have to add this feature also, you have to add that feature, you have to do this thing and that thing, you will say, no, it's not in, you will say, no, that's not included, that's too much. And I will say, no, we already agreed on the website prices. So do not do that mistake. Always lock the scope of the of prices and the task you will be doing in that money. So yeah, it's always depends on you that how much you want to charge. And also it's also depends on skill. Like the more skillful you are, the more prices will increase. For example, we take like, for a lot of consultation, we charge around 200 euros per hour. For a lot of website, if it's a consultation with a top company, for example, I provide consultation for a lot of companies like big magazines, media magazines. They come to me for their SEO strategy or their content strategy, or sometimes their traffic is gone. For the companies, they're really in trouble. And for example, they're really big companies. So for them, it's like, it could be 200 euros per hour. You do per hour so billing. Sometimes we also say, okay, this is a scope. We will take $5,000, and then we're gonna take care of all these things for like in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Or we say, okay, every month we're gonna charge you like $2,500 for your SEO. So it depends on your capability, depends on your skill, and depends how expert you are in this field. Because nobody will give you money like $200 per hour. Nobody will give you if you don't have that kind of skill set. If you're not providing the value, you have to provide the value. And if somebody is thinking like you want to create the content from AI and charge this article like $100 for one article, like I don't think so that's gonna work. Client, they know, they're very smart, and you should not be taking money for be taking your client for granted. Make sure you're giving them more value than they pay for. I'm not saying you put extra time, but still, if you want a long-term business, if you want to have like something big in your life, you want to make good money in your life, always focus on client satisfaction and always think like how can I add on something on the top. For example, if a client paid me for SEO social media strategy, I do the stuff, we define the scope, and then we do work on that. And then after that, what we'll do, I will give some more consultation for free, just to let the client know that client is important for me and how seriously I take my work. So yeah, to answer your question, that was my answer. 60K Nepali rupees, yeah, why not? I think, how much is it? 30K, so it's like $300. Yeah, I think it's fine. If it depends on you how much time it's taking and what is the experience about all this thing. From where should I learn local SEO? From YouTube, nature. There are a lot of videos. I haven't created video on local SEO actually. I do local SEO, but I haven't created video, so I'm going to create a video soon. But until then, you can watch this guy. If you speak Hindi, you can watch this guy, Amit Tiwari. He's a real nice YouTuber. Let me show you guys. He's a super cool guy, because I'm especially in our countries, this is very sad to know that people are following scammers instead of real people. So I want you to follow this person. He is very knowledgeable, and he creates the content in Hindi. So I think a lot of people can. Imran Siddiqui is also really good. He talks really nice things. Amit Tiwari. Follow this guy. He's a real nice guy. This Amit Tiwari, he has real nice video. You can watch this channel to get a lot of knowledge. And if you speak Hindi, yeah. Nowadays, I think they have like also the auto dub feature, so you can watch this video in English and any other languages. So he has lots of videos on SEO stuff, and real nice, really useful. Please watch him. You will get a lot of knowledge instead of following this stupid people who are just telling you who they show you I bought Fortuner, I bought Mercedes from blogging money. Useless. Stop watching those people. Watch these kind of people who really provide you knowledge. And watch the Google Search Console Central. This is the official page from Google. So Google Search Central. There's so many videos here which will really help you out. And now we have dubbing feature, so you can watch these videos in your own language. This guy, Matt Mulberg, I think his name is. He's also real nice in all those things. You can also follow this channel, Rank Math. Rank Math is a very nice video. I like this guy. He talks real nice about digital marketing and everything. Rank Math channel, very nice videos. You can follow him. Really, this is the channel you should be following. You should not be following these useless, stupid YouTubers. That one time they talk to you about crypto, one time they talk to you about like making money from I don't know, movie download website. So yeah, follow his channel, Rank Math. Let me tell you one more channel. What was it? Href. Href is good channel. They have very nice videos. The basics of SEO. Yeah, very nice channel. The videos are very to the point, and they really give you the strategy, like what we use in industry, because they apply these things on their website really, and they run this business around only this topic SEO. So watch their videos. You're gonna learn a lot of stuff. If you're watching those videos, like how much money somebody make, did they buy Fortuner, did they make a house in their village and stuff, bro, stop doing it. You're watching those videos from years now. Nothing happened in your life. You maybe just make $10 somewhere, $50, $100. Stop watching those stuff. I think I will be creating a new video, like to watch the best people on YouTube. And also, like, do not follow anybody blindly. Even those people also do not follow anybody blindly. Use your own mind, ask AI, verify things, and then after only you follow these things. Amit Tiwari is best, sir. Watch all videos. He is he is very nice. Hi, sir, from my real name. Hello, Pallav. Pallav is back. Welcome back, Pallav, to the stream. Sir, I saw one thing last Sunday and I'm still in shock today. What did you saw, Pallav? Good evening. What did you saw? Oh, he said, okay. Google is now providing Google Ads service. I mean, Google Ads account. Yeah, it's already it's existing from long time, but 200 euros. Okay, how's my bro? 200 hours is nothing. People charge thousands of euros per hour. I send you an email. Hey guys, it's me, Ton. Your friend Audit, and you know Weber. Amit, your best, nice. Please show your subscription list. What do you mean subscription list? How much I charge? I just explained you. Shagun Chand, yes. How are you? UV13, welcome back. Just your right rank math guy is OP. He gave right info, right. Sir, you forgot Patel Bhau. I mean Neil Patel. Neil Patel is good, but I think his channel is very commercial. Very commercial. He gives nice advice, but I think his advices are, I don't know, very commercial. They're not to the point. They're mostly around, like, selling their own products and stuff. And he's nice. I respect him. He has a lot of knowledge. He has a lot of nice tool for us, but I don't find that much of value in his content. He's a big name. Sometimes I watch his videos also, but sometimes I think they're mostly clickbait videos, and it's quantity, like more on quantity end than the quality end. So yeah, but also he's very respectful and he gives a lot of good advice. You can also watch him, but that would not be my first source of recommendation. And watch people who create videos in English, in French, Chinese, different languages. Use Autoduff feature, you will learn a lot of things. Sir was so frustrated, stupid YouTubers. Yeah, but this is the problem with our place. It's not about. This is the reason why I run this channel, so I can help people and show them a real thing. For example, this channel takes so much of time. Sometimes frustrated to run this channel, and money is nothing. This channel does not make even the money that you can buy groceries, like almost very low money. But at the same time, my motivation to run this channel is to help people, because there are a lot of scammers on the market. They're just telling people like stupid advice just to make their money. They don't realize that they can make money, but they're cheating a lot of people, thousands of people, just to make their own money. And up to what level? For example, you have this YouTuber, he has 30 million followers. His net worth is $30 million. He has 30 million, not $30 million, 30, I don't remember, like around, really, he got a lot of money. He's a millionaire. And then he still sell his useless tool to Indians and tell them to buy subscription where they can get the feature for free. Like, why you are doing this? This is not nice to cheat the audience. Like, this audience gave you money, this audience gave you fame, this audience gave you everything, and now you are like milking them for money. This is not nice. That's why I get like a little bit. There's also this, it's not frustration, it's more of like, my social responsibility, that if I have information about something, I should be sharing with people. I should be helping people to learn more, to get the real knowledge. Come to Nepal, sir. Yeah, I would like to come. I was almost like 2013. I was almost close to Nepal. No, 15 I think. Very close. I was in India and then we could see Nepal from there, but we did not get time to go there. Sir, come to Nepal to become PM. Thank you so much, but I don't think I have enough information, knowledge to become a politician. I mean, your YouTube subscription list channel you follow for digital marketing. I don't follow a lot of people like actively. I don't get too much time to follow a lot of people, and yeah, for SEO no. We are doing this stuff like ourselves. We are doing everything practical. We are implementing real strategies on everything. So it's really complicated to watch other videos and then see what they're talking. That's why you will see in my videos I don't if I, for example, if I watch those people just to make videos, my content will be same like their content. So, and that's, I don't think that's a good thing. You should have new perspective about things. And if the basic is same, we all gonna be presenting the same content. It's not the, I will not bring anything like, really unique. For example, if we talk about that, we say, okay, do SEO, which is a nice thing. So everybody is telling the same thing. Yeah, I don't watch so many things, but yes, because I like to create this video, so I get recommendation from the similar channel, and I watch some videos of like Amit Tiwari and Goose Central or stuff. And also, like, you should follow these people to news. For example, yes, I tell you what I do. So I watch Amit Tiwari. He runs this series. Let me show you. He runs this series about. Let me show you in real time what I mean. Okay, so he has this thing where he give all the information of what happened in all the month and stuff. For example, you can see SEO last month September 25. I like this videos. You can see I have not watched so many videos. I watched this start is little bit this video, this fake news video, but I like this kind of videos where he give all the information, very useful in very small time. You can get news from a reliable source, because nowadays watching news is also really hard. You cannot believe which news is good, which news is like fake, overhyped and stuff. So I watch this kind of videos, and also I follow Google Search Central for the new announcement and stuff, if there are new features. So for that I follow. I can show you my X. I follow a lot of people on X. Wait, let me open my X. Yeah, that could I couldn't follow because I'm more active on X for X. I have like two accounts. One account is just my personal account. One is where I'm like, okay, following not a lot of people. How you know? Okay, so this is people I follow. So I follow Google Earth, I follow Android. Live at Google, Google AI, all mostly AI stuff. Google Pay, Tim Cook, Karthikeya Singh, Harikira Singh, French Tech, Tech Cloud, all these companies, Sundar Pichai, all these people should get updated in this field. Not a lot of people on YouTube. YouTube I watch sometime for enjoyment when I get time. If I'm eating something, I watch I watch some series or stuff. Yeah, not so much for SEO. I get more information on X about all those things. Okay, so let's say some question, then we move on to we jump on the audits. Okay, how many people are live? 14 people live, and guys, please like the stream so YouTube gets signal this is a good stream and more people can come on stream and they can ask the questions. So it's gonna be easy for me to answer the questions here. What an idea, Saji. I thought YouTube provided auto feature when I need to see video in Hindi. Now understood. You can watch other language videos in English. Yeah, true. It's really nice feature. For example, I discovered a lot of new YouTubers just because of Duff feature, and they're really good, which the content you don't have in other languages. Like if you just don't want to be, how you call the kueh ka mendak, like frog in a well, you don't see how the world is outside. You always watch people in your own language, and then all your life is surrounded by that small, like the well, you are inside the well. And now with auto feature, maybe it's not the best, but yes, you can get information from other countries. For example, what China is doing with technology is really next level. What USA is doing with technology is next level. It's like nowhere close to, like other countries are doing, nowhere close to what we are doing in India, Bangladesh or Sri Lanka, Nepal or Pakistan, or like other Russia or EU. For example, European Union is not that good in technology, but they're really good in other things. So yes, if you watch people who outside your language, outside your country, you learn a lot of stuff, and that really makes you more mature and more intelligent. Your consultation is for how long someone buy it? Will it be time limit or till the person gets solved? No, no. No. So my consultation is for the YouTube channel. If you want something, I think I have this offer for if you're individual. It's 80 euros for 1 hour. I think, yeah, 80 euros for 1 hour. I just put this because I was getting so many requests on the channel to, and I could not fulfill properly. And for the companies, I think it's 160 $160 for 45 minutes. I don't know. You can see. Let me see. Let me show. So this is the website I use for YouTube, and this is not like your web consultation here. So here technical SEO consultation. It's for $80 for I think 1 hour. Yeah, 60 minutes for $80, 80 euros. This is for individual. This is not for the corporate. For corporate is this one. It's 109. Okay, 200 euros. Yeah, 200 euros per hour. So yeah, also I want to like really, I don't want to boast about things. I just want to tell you guys, if you are asking any questions, please be precise that if I'm taking my time, or other people who are on now in WhatsApp group, Webhub is doing real nice job, GDA is doing real nice job. We have so many people on. Adarsh is also another member on WhatsApp. He's doing real nice job to answer all your questions. Please be precise with the questions. Please give respect to people, because people are taking their own time to help you out here, free of cost. We're not charging money for this, not on this YouTube channel, not via WhatsApp group, not via live stream. So if you are here, try to get maximum benefit from it and do not waste other people's time. That's really, really important. Be respectful. Okay, shall we start the audits or no? Shagun Chand, bye. Bye, Shagun. So, Umar Tazkir, I don't know. I think I know this name, but I never watch any video from him. Aisha, Ashik, can you tell me how to update PHP in WordPress, or how to solve this issue? So you don't update PHP in WordPress, you update PHP in your hosting account. So you go to your hosting account, whichever you have, and then you will have the option to, in packages, to update the hosting. It's different on every hosting. On, if your hosting provider is cPanel, you will have option, just search on the top, say PHP, and then you'll find the option and you update for PHP. But it's really, really important, if you are coming from PHP 7.2, 7.2, 7.4, and you want to update to PHP 8.4 or 8.3, 8.2, 8.1, 8.0, your website might break. You have big chances your website will break. So please test your website first on a testing environment, or take a backup website before you update the PHP. Is really, really important, because not all the plugins are compatible with PHP 8.4. And I think PHP 8.1 or 2 will be safe, but they are outdated features. You don't get the best security of your websites on those versions of PHP. Yellow Infinity, all my pages de-indexed today. Why? I don't know. I think we already talked about Yellow Infinity, your website. You were creating the, if I'm not wrong, it was the AI generated content, right? Bye. See you some other day, sir. Okay, UB13. Bye bye. See you some other day, guys. Okay, so let's start the audit. We have some channels, website to audit today. Okay, first website is from Adnair. No, this website is from earlier. No, this website is submitted like 1 hour ago. We're gonna submit only website who was submitted during the stream. Okay, the first website is nitingami.kisanmoney.com. Nitin, we already give you so much advices on your website, on the WhatsApp group. You want me to repeat all those things? Okay. Technical health check. So this is the website of Mr. Nitin Gami. Technical health check, audit content for EAT, user experience, UX design. But Nitin, check my videos on EAT. It's gonna be really complicated for me to explain you everything. Like it's gonna take like 30 minutes or 1 hour to audit the website. So I highly recommend you to go, and we give you so many suggestions on WhatsApp group. But okay, let me do one. Let me explain you again. First of all, what is this? This is, your text is gone. I cannot see this text. Problem, no social media here. Like this kind of website really need to be on social media, especially on Facebook, because A lot of farmers use Facebook, their kids use Facebook, and in rural India, in rural parts, Facebook reach is really, really good. And especially this kind of topic, Facebook is must have. You should have on your website. Work on the menus, watch my videos on the channel, last few videos, like last 15-20 videos, I talk so much in detail about all these things. So if you don't have good menus, they are not good for SEO. Like Yojnaएं, apps, technique, kheti, this is not a really, these are not proper targeted menus. Target your content, structure your content, then target SEO via menus, via links. So for example, I already told you, watch my 4 videos on topical authority. You watch my video on topical authority, create the topical map of your website, and then once you have the topical map, you will know what topic you're talking about and put those topics here in the menu. Okay. Blurry images use benefit me. I like your website. I like your website. How you are. I think I read your blog post that how to do all those things. I really like your blog post. Why you started Kisan Money. I really like your blog post. If you are making good content, just structure your website and then it's really good. And for EAT, watch my videos. Okay, here we go, Nitin. Yeah, 6. Look, this you are doing EAT, but put it like not here. Put on the right side. I think it's taking too much of space for this section. Put your author image on the right side here. I think somewhere here, divide the section. You can even widen your website width and put a section here and put your profile, like who you are and what you have done. Not so big, I won't recommend you. And also give you like you're repeating your blog post, same things multiple times on the page. For example, look, the same content in the both places. No, and your website is really new. 4322 right now. Talking about your website is gonna be wasting time of yours and mine because your website is very new. You don't have enough content on your website. Put more content on the website. Where are the pages? Like you have about us pages. What about the pages? Privacy policy pages, contact us pages. All those pages should be on your website. Put more social media. Facebook is very important for you. Don't you will have so much of views, like so much of views if you will have Facebook. And create these things, like for example, you create this dhan ki kheti kaise kare, convert this into like some slides and share on Facebook. Okay. So yeah, and I recommend you to add some images. Images are very important if you want to create the effective website and establish EAT. Images are very important. UX is fine. As I told you, learn how to design the website. The website is super basic right now, which is totally fine. And when you will open on the mobile devices, it does not matter so much. So you have to work on the content first. Okay, let's do one thing. I give you actionable advice. Watch these videos on my channel. This is the actionable advice, and I guarantee you will have such nice result just by following this one advice. 4 videos. You will have first. You will have structured website. You will have nice menu of your website. You will learn so much about website development. So watch these 4 videos. 1. Use topic authority to boost EAT. Then second, topical map using AI and boost EAT. Third, implement topical map. Third is this one, perfect topical map formula. And fourth is implement topical map in 7 steps. Watch these 4 videos, your website will transform. And then after watching video, you can watch semantic optimization, and also you can watch AI SEO video or EAT video. This video, you will have like so good result on your website. So yeah, do those things. This will be your actionable advice for your website. Bye Yash, see you soon. Okay, next audit. Let's go to next audit. Yellow Infinity Jobs Dunia.com. Yeah, we already did a website. I remember. This is more of a social. This kind of website is more of a social media game. What you're doing, because you're. It's not a job. It's not a job website. What you created. You don't have any features of searching for jobs and stuff. You have like, it's a blog website. Don't think that is a job website. It's a blog website. It's not a job website. So yeah, this is the problem with when you create a website. You created a blog website where you post the jobs, but it is not a job website. You can have this success with this website if you use social media groups, WhatsApp groups, all those things, but it's not a job website. For example, if you compare the job website, find a job, you see what they have on there. For example, let's say indeed.com. So if you compare your website with this, you should be using, like some nice plugin to create a job website. Right now this is not a job website, this is a blog website. Look, they have, okay, they convert in French. Let me see if I can change the language. You see, this is how job website work. They have the posting, people can search based on all these things. Here you want to search the blog post, don't work like this. For example, if I search jobs in Paris, you see all the jobs are here. But if I search the daily Sarkari jobs, is you are posting all the jobs here, and then they are blog posts. They are not really jobs. So if you want to success, you can continue with this kind of website. But for this, you need the content from social media like WhatsApp groups, Facebook. This will be your biggest way of getting traffic. And why would somebody, for example, like if you go there, why would somebody index this? Group C head constable, radio operator, radio mechanic. Maybe this job is gone. This job does not exist anymore. Maybe when people search for this, they will go to another website. Let's search this one. Head constable, radio operator. But what is it? If you're even very confusing. What is the target? Let's see. Let's search it on Google. Let's compare with what other people are doing, because you can always do competitor analysis to know what you are missing. And let's turn on. I turned off this. Guys, please use this tool. It's also a nice tool. It's called Keyword Everywhere tool. It gives lots of information about your website. So for example, if I look here, you can see they're already big website, 34, 40, 50, domain authority, 39. And for example, if you want to see, so look what's happening here. So this is the government website. First of all, it's ranking first. Second, this is job website, free job alert website. So I think this job website is kind of this kind of website. Yeah, this is also a blog website. This is a similar website like yours. And I'm sure they have a lot of content. Like, oh my god, look at the jobs they have. But what was the question again? Let me see. Focus, but you did not write anything in the what should I focus on audit on your website. I told you please write all the stuff. Maybe I'm auditing the things that you don't want. What should I focus on audit? Sarkari job, private. These are not good, nice keywords. You cannot like this too broad to have menu. For example, if you watch my videos, you will know how important the menus is. You don't even have basic decent menu on your website. How you expect your website to be work properly or function? Let's see what they have on this website. I hope they have good teaching job, engineering job. They're much better. They target keywords much better, like bank job, teaching job, engineering jobs. However, this is not the right way to do stuff, but still. And compare you private job, commercial job. That's it. You have only 3 keywords, which are too broad keywords. Like how you'll tell Google about like this is the main content of my website. This is the meat on my website. How will tell Google? Privacy policy, DMCA. Why you need this? I think if we audited a website, I already told you do not have these things here. We don't need these things here. Put them in footer. What is a blogs page? You have blogs page or no? Okay. And what is this? All these things. Jobs Dunia. I think this is useless information. This kind of website, don't give this. This is not information you should give on a homepage. Use your homepage to show what is good in your website. Take inspiration from big established companies. Just copy their strategy and put on your website. And watch the videos, brother. You are like really like no social media on footer. Why? You should be having social media here. You should be having like Facebook icon floating all the time. Like this is not enough here. Like this is like gone. Like I cannot see that anymore. And this is also mixed up in all these buttons we have. Color combination really bad. Be more like this red and these colors, they're like painful for the eyes to watch. So make your website, take inspiration from other websites which are well established in your niche. For example, I don't know if you can monster.com and use a job board plugin. Like it's gonna be nice to use it. If you want to create a job website, use a job board plugin from where look. This looks much better. Soothing on eyes, looks much more professional. So take inspiration from this kind of website and work on this one. Right now, website is not a job website. It's just a like blog website posting jobs. Okay, any more? Let's see if there are questions in WhatsApp group. Okay, let's see what you guys are talking about. Guys, really important that you take your website seriously. Learn the basic concepts. Yellow Infinity, I see your website has like almost a lot of hard work but zero strategy. Unfortunately, your website is, I'm sure you put a lot of work but zero strategy. Learn the strategy, watch the videos, and then you will get success. You already have the content. You have the bigger part. You have the content. You just need strategy. For example, like you can make the best product in the world, but if you don't market it properly, if you don't present this product properly, nobody will buy your product. Same thing with Apple. Apple has really good marketing strategy. Their phone is like really bad phones, like no innovation and stuff, but people buy it because they have good marketing strategy. People sell their shitty YouTube, shitty AI tools, useless tools, because they have reach. They have good marketing. They can create video with a lot of effects and stuff. They can use nationalism and stuff. So packaging is very important. Abhishek, भैया Google Discover का बताएं कुछ please. Google Discover, Abhishek, there is already video on my channel about Google Discover. First of all, you must be making the content which is very trending. Mostly, make the balance. For example, if your niche is let's say farming niche or any niche, you should be creating content which is trending nowadays. Make content which is like in the news these days. For example, new technology came in farming, whatever the current topic, make videos on those things. And yeah, that's the first requirement. Then you have a lot of other requirement, technical requirement. For example, you should have high CTR on your images, on your blog post. You should have 1200 pixels of wide image. You should have image large, image preview large tag on your pages. You should have feed enabled on your website. Do not disable feed on the website. And your content should be updated, refreshed. I created a video about it you can find on my channel. I explain step-by-step process how to make your website eligible for Google Discover. And mostly if you're making content on trending topics and which has very wide audience, you will you will be featured in Discord, and make a lot of content. Like if anybody is thinking, I see sometimes people, they create 20 blog posts, 30 blog posts, and they're like, sir, I have best website, I have 30 blog posts, but I'm not getting into Discover. I'm like, dude, what content you have is peanuts, it's nothing. So if you want to establish your website authority, you have to make a lot of content. You have to really work hard on it. Then you will go on top rankings for search, and also you will come and Discover. The best thing you can do, open your feed, just go on your phone. Let me see if I can show you on the screen. Okay, if I go to Google, you can open the Google app or Chrome app, I think, on the India, because every country has different kind of point of view. And then you can see what is trending on Google Discover. Just copy the thing. For example, you can see my phone is about, like, these are blog posts like about AI, about iPhone 17 launches. Just take inspiration directly from this, and you should have good images, because all these things you see in Discover, they have really high quality images. Thumbnail should be like homepage thumbnail should be not the best quality thumbnail. You can have like optimized version, but featured image, keep that high quality 1200 pixel and sharp images. Keep a balance between the website. And then you can see thumbnails are so simple. Look at this thumbnail, and people, they write million letters on the huge text on the thumbnails. That does not work. You will never see a website on, like, look at this one, something written, no, nothing. It's a very beautiful picture, everything, look, something written, nothing is written. So do not write, especially, I know all my channel subscribers, you guys, I don't know why you write so much of text on the thumbnails. Do not write, very minimal text. I'm also guilty of this thing, putting those things on my YouTube channel, like text and stuff, but I still do minimal. Look, no text on the thumbnails. So thumbnails are very important for websites. Watch the video on detailed video on Discover. This is a blog, lots of content without any structure, right? Ospin Academy. Ospin, how are you? Did you change your name, Ospin Vlog, now? Wow, you started a channel. Can I see a channel? I want to see a channel. Do you vlog now? Ospin Academy is also old subscriber of the channel. Okay, oh nice. You create a blog about. Do you want I show your blog on to the people? But you have no content on your blog. They earn profit, they know how to sell. Yes, true. Product don't matter, presentation matter. Apple tagline nowadays, but true. And not just Apple, everybody is doing the same stuff. For example, like I was watching this video, the comparison of I think let me show. It was like BYD versus BMW versus Audi. Speed. Yeah. Okay, so this is the video I show you. This video, okay. This is a really good example for. Okay, where's the video? So this was a video I was watching. Like, I hope this is the same video. So this is about like presentation versus real quality. You see, this Chinese car went really nice. You can see here, like, you see how it passed speed breaker. You see, no bumps, super nice. And now you will see BMW versus Audi. This is BMW, and this is Audi, and they're twice expensive than this Neo car. If you guys know, it's a Chinese company. So yeah, but BMW and Audi has good packaging. Their story is best and everything. What they do, they have a big reputation behind it, so they can get away with this kind of stuff. I've never used a Neo car, but yeah, this is like just example. Same with Apple. Like iPhone, they're like, I don't think my iPhone is the best iPhone. I have this iPhone here, like 16 Pro Max, and then I have this old Android phone. I spend a lot of time on this Android phone than this iPhone. Okay, so we have any more website or shall we? This is a guy on the YouTube. He wants to come audit. Okay, 1 hour 25 minutes. Any more questions, guys? Last questions before we wrap up the live stream. And yeah, to audit the website, you have to come on the live stream and then submit your website via the pinned comments. There's no other way. Please do not send me personal message DMs to audit my website. It's not possible. It's very hard to keep the track of the audits and everything, and also not justified with other people who already submit the website who are here. So please don't do that. I have 100+ blog posts. But yeah, there are other things also with those blog posts. And or let me tell you honestly, with Abhishek, with Discover, you don't have a algorithm for Discover. It's not like that you, if your website in Discover, then you get a lot of traffic and then you keep content. No, Discover is like how it works. We have a lot of experience. We have like millions and millions of views on some of my clients' websites and even my website with Discover. And what happens? Discover is like this: your website get 20 million views in a month and then dead. For 3 months, no views. Then come back, then millions of views, then dead, then nothing. So it's like a very complicated game. You really have to like 100 blog posts. Like I give you example 100 blog, but this is nothing in comparison to big website who are trending on Discord. Mostly they're big website, huge website who have very high authority, established website. And now you'll say how you will fight with them. Work on your more website. It's a patience game. The more quality your website will be, the better chance you have to come and Discover more consistently. I have 100+ blog posts. Yeah, it's like a roller coaster, true. You are like here on the top and then you are gone. For me, accelerated mobile page is really important to avoid potential drop off. Yeah, okay. AMP was a good technology invented by Google, but I think it's also abundant now. They don't even promote that AMP pages much. It's we did on some pages, on some website we tested AMP, and we see if you already optimize your website properly and your pages are lighter, it does not matter you use AMP or not. Your pages will have good rankings, and also for Discord. Lossless web images, yeah, true. That's real. 1Z. Yeah, that's real true. Web images are much better for PNG and JPG, and most of the modern browsers support web images. AVIF images not supported by all the browsers, so please do not convert images in AVIF. It's still like not adopted by all the modern browsers, but WebP I think is all the modern browsers. If somebody have not updated their browser for last 10 years, maybe yes, they don't support web images, but web images is real nice. Very well said, nice point. And they can give the sharp quality of images with the very less size of the image. Mera Mustaqibil. I optimized DMY store and now I reach 50 clicks per day. Nice, congratulations, keep going on. This is really important, guys. I don't know why I have this impression that most of the guys, you're very impatient. Don't take this personally, but just think about it. You're like, okay, I have 100 pages is nothing. Trust me, 100 pages is nothing. First of all, you have to understand getting Google AdSense approval is not a big thing. It's not at all a big thing. If you are working a little bit on a website, you will get AdSense approval. I get AdSense approval sometime on my dummy website, which I use for dummy content, and I get AdSense approval. I get AdSense approval on my website. They don't have privacy policy pages. They don't have terms and condition pages. So getting AdSense approval is not a big thing. And then writing 50, 100 blog posts, you think that my website is huge? No, you are in delusion. You are in little bit of delusional world that expecting like too much of result with 100 pages. No, some stupid YouTuber shown you, you don't know what the background, what they're doing, how they're getting the views, but it does not work in real life. For example, if you want to create a company, you have to provide value. You have to stay in the game for longer time. Creating 50 posts, 100 pages is not a big thing. You want to compare from, for example, like bhp.com. This is a website for auto parts. They have like thousands and thousands of pages. They have people, experts who are reviewing those cars and stuff. Would they come on the top, or your website with 50 posts, which you obviously, like, you know, like not everybody is making content by themselves, which you're getting from internet, some information, they will come on the first. So please be more critical about your website and be more, do not stay in delusion. Do not be overconfident. Do not expect too much in starting. Expectation is good, but do hard work. Optimize the website, and the best thing what you can do, compare with the competitors. Internet is free. Just go open your niche, search for keyword and see what they're doing, how their website is ranking. Take inspiration and apply same thing on the website. I see 90% of people, they don't know that they don't need to put privacy policy on the home page. They have no proper menus. They have no categories, proper categories. They do have no idea what topical maps, and they say, okay, I write a lot of blog posts, and most of them is AI generated. So yeah, that's the thing. Like, please be critically aware about yourself, and then you then success is not that difficult in this field. You put a lot of hard work, but with a direction. Just don't put your hard work without direction. Create a strategy, and also I tell you, it will make your life very simple. For example, if you keep creating content like here and there, you can never track that content. But if you create topical map and you take 5 pillar content, you create 5 or 10 cluster content around that, you will know what is your website about. Those pillar topics you put on the menu, so you will target those things, and then you can track those things in Google Search Console and Google Analytics. Pallav, please don't ask me where's the GA4 video. I still did not got time. Super busy weeks these days. So yeah, it's really important that you do a fact check, and please be critical about your own website. What will I do to get sales? What you will do get? See what I told you. 50 clicks is nothing, brother. Get more clicks. And what, I don't know what you are selling. You have to tell me what you are selling. My channel, I told you, my channel get 3.5 million views until now, 3.6 million views, and I use affiliate marketing on the website. And it's rare that people click on my links and I get some sales. It's not very common. Maybe 1 or 2 sales every not even every month, like 1 sale every month on 400 videos. So it's not so easy that you will have 50 clicks and then you will have, like, you know, expect like the be real. Okay, be real. I don't want to give you false hope. I don't want to tell you that it's really hard and we cannot do it, but please do it. Okay, chat, do like the stream. Chat, do like the stream. Okay, I have submitted a website. This is a website from Dendizo Kush Design Talks. Submit your website. Let me see. Okay, kushtech.online. We have this new website to review, guys. And also, please, you can also contribute to reviewing this website. Okay. What is it? Put these in the main menu. Fitness tech, and also, like, this is the thing. Work on the menus, that what we are talking. You can go back on the stream. We talk a lot about these things, that how you should design your menus, how should you define categories. So first of all, again, web hosting is what is your website is about? Smartphone, web hosting, fitness tech, tutorials, AI news. I think you are missing the point. Okay, I think you guys cannot see. Smartphone, web hosting, fitness tech, tutorials, AI news. I think you're not getting the point. You really need to have focus on one domain and work on that. Create topical map of website, and then you create cluster content and pillar content of website. You can watch the videos on my channel on topical authority. The 4 videos are there. Let me see if I can show you. I think you just came on the stream. So if you are here, guys, everybody who is not getting success, who's not getting views, who's not getting clicks, please implement topical map of your website. You will learn so much about, like, it will really change your website. It will really change your perspective of content creation on your website. So there are some videos you have to ask Kush Design. So this is the video. The first video is here. Use topical authority to boost EAT, and then second, create topical map using AI. This is the second part. This is the third part. Perfect topical map formula. And this is the fourth part, how you implement topical map on your websites in 7 steps. Watch these 4 videos. You will have so much changes on your website. Your website structure will change, because right now your website is everywhere. And choose one niche. Please pick one niche. What are you doing? What is the tutorial about? I don't know. From smartphone to web hosting, that tech, but is super wide tech. You cannot jump from, like, like you're everywhere and then your fitness tech everywhere. If you want to connect those things, find a way that you can create one category where you can cover all those topics. You could find that. This is super waste of space. Huge logo, make it smaller, put inside. Do not waste this space. And we don't want to read 2 lines about your website. Show with the website, don't tell. Show, don't tell. Remove this stuff. Latest technology, mobile news, Kush tech, stay updated. Nobody has time to read all these things. Put these categories, goods categories, pillar topics here on the main menu. What is it? Bro, you want your advice or website? Work on it. You see, it's dead. What is this section? Nothing. I think you have not so much content on the website. How many posts do you have? Few posts only. Well, add more content on the website. Let me see what you have. The homepage, like I recently added, is static, but I feel that posts are not reflecting general overview site. No, but you should be adding, like, go on the widget you are using, and then see, maybe you have not selected the categories or something is happening. Yeah, you can see you are selecting here only entry content, double block, layer flow. Yeah, something missing. Go check the query you're running. Maybe this that reflect like 0 post. You can watch this video on the channel. I have this. Okay. Guys, to search any videos on the channel is super easy. Search the keyword here, and then you will see all the videos related to that topic on the channel. So, perfect homepage design. I talk a lot in this video how to design a homepage, how to display posts. So, if a problem in not displaying posts, you can refer this. This is a very easy video using plugins, and you will know how you can, what is the issue, why the posts are not showing. Also, you can watch generate press theme customization. It's all about learning. For example, I cannot know about every theme in the world, but I have the general idea. I know how the things work. So if you know the basic rule, you can work with any theme on your website. What else? Yeah, I think website is super basic. Work on this more right now. I think about us, add more stuff here. Like this is EAT of a website. It shows who your website about, and work on this. Watch my video on EAT, and I think last 15-20 video I created very detailed videos on these topics, because I think the audience is growing. In starting, I was not making a lot of complicated videos. I was making videos, very easy videos. I was not sure if audience can understand, but now as we grow in this channel, we are growing this channel. I understand that people are ready to understand more complicated concept, because most of people on my channel, they are beginners. So watch these videos. Where is the video? Semantic SEO guide. This is a really good video you can watch. What else you can watch? You can watch this video to get more traffic, and I share a lot of tips in all these things watch this video, micro niche and keyword research. This is the video which will tell you what you should put on your website, what you should write content about. And then this was 7 habits of 100k blog. A lot of videos are there, you can just watch. So much information, just watch. For example, menu, I talk about menu design also. Categories and menu, you can watch those videos on the channel. How to create menus, all this stuff. Yeah, there's so many videos you can find on the channel. Okay, what else? This search console update my website like daily 300 to 2k may be lucky. But check, this is the problem, guys. Most of people, they have no idea what's happening in the website. They're just working on luck. They're just doing something, having random things. Okay, is it working or not? Guys, and learn how to track the content. Learn how to analyze the reports. Go to search console, see what's working, what is not working. See which keywords your website is ranking for. Create an Excel sheet. Add the improvement you could do there. Track sheets, for example, create a title, change the title and see if the CTR of the page improves or not. Be realistic about it. You can have 100 pages on the website. Do one thing, 10 pages getting most of the views. Track only those 10 pages instead of thinking about everything. Focus on 10 pages with getting views. Try to improve those pages. Do the competitor analysis and then see what's changing. Tracking is really important. If not tracking, then it's you are just how you call how you call this, it's like aimless work. I will sell projector, game console also. Okay, 50 clicks is very less. Submit your website to Google e-commerce and 50 clicks is really bad. Like, sorry, really low. You need more clicks. Like average CTR, I think is like how much? E-commerce like 1%, 2%. We work with e-commerce website, like good CTR we saw is like 3-4%, 5% like maximum, really good CTR. And 50 clicks is less. We got like thousands and millions of clicks. And also one thing, it's also about the authority website. Once your authority website will improve, people will buy from you more. Like even they will come to your site just to buy. They will remember your website. So yes. Sir, one more doubt. To clear client tells me to create WordPress. What is an average charge on WordPress custom code? Do you know how to do custom code? If you don't know how to do custom code, don't take this project. What I told you, ask client what is the all information, what they want exactly. Ask them for detailed information, what they want, all the features. Allah, I forgot to ask GA4 GTN. Homepage design, sir, thank you a lot. I'll watch video please. Okay. 6% CTR. Yeah, but 6% CTR of how much? You have 50 clicks. So you have 300 impression. Oh no, 3,000 impression. But it's good, it's not bad, but you have very less clicks. And also you never know. Problematic semantic SEO automation system is always in solution if somebody has good amount. Yeah, this is the thing. For example, if you have a website like e-commerce website, you want to sell something, I would recommend you create a budget and spend money on it. You will see things and stuff, but it's an easy one. For example, you just invest money in ads and then because you're making money on selling stuff. So you're getting money, so there's no harm to invest the money back into business. Hypermarts, no, submit your website via the pinned chat. We don't accept site like this. Sir, there's my friend who make custom codes. I will reach out, tells him details about sir. Yeah, but gather more information. Don't take any project like this. Gather more information. Sir, also forgot to tell you glowing today. Thank you so much, Palla. Okay, guys. 16 likes, wow, without asking, how is possible? I don't know why the channel reaches down for many days. You don't answer about LLM.text. Oh, I'm really sorry about it. Guys, don't be so personal. If I don't see your answer, just ask me again. Why people are so much serious about everything? Don't. Okay, I tell you like how to ask for help. This is the thing. Like a lot of people, they don't understand how to ask for help. So if you ask for help nicely, you never blame people. Try to rephrase your questions. What do you want me to ask about lm.txt? Ask me a question again. You can copy paste if I miss your question. I'm sorry about it. It's happened. Sometimes you are getting so many messages. Let me see if I can see a message. I cannot see a message. Can you please send your message again about lms.txt? Now this is a file for guiding LLMs if they can access the content and just wow, what happened? Vulnerability Access donated 40 rupees for super chat. Thank you so much, Vulnerability Access. And I think I will create a video for lm.txt. But let me know what is the question. Hi sir, love from MH. You can audit my website. Thank you so much for the thing, but you have to submit your website via the pinned link in the chat. And I think maybe today we are super late. Let me see if we can do last audit. Submit your website. What is your website? Is it you, Aman? I see somebody submitted the website. Sir, AdSense profile green tick problem, please help. AdSense problem, what is this problem? I don't know about this problem. Can you please explain more Rizwan Celeb Insight? When client send me details, I will send you the sheet, sir. Send me, okay, send me the sheet. Email me, okay? Okay, Aman. Let's audit your website. SEO AdSense. Okay, this is a website of Aman. I like the logo. Really cool logo. Where do you make the logo with this effect? Wow, really cool, guys. Doesn't it look cool? What do you guys think about the logo? Simple logo, but it looks really good. Okay. So again, you have super broad and vague menus. AI and tool, tech information, tech guides. No, put more what you have. For example, if you're talking a lot about ChatGPT, then put some ChatGPT related things here. Put Gemini related things here, so people can really see what your website is about. It's super broad. Tech information. What is tech information? You see, we have problem in communication. For example, if you ask me, what do you do for living? And I will say, I work. You see, we have problem in communication. So for example, tech information, what tech information you're talking about? Tech guides. For example, you can tell me, sir, can you please help me? Or like, yes, I can help you, but what? And you say, you help me. Tech guides about what? When I see your website, I have no information what your website is about. Tech, tools, guides, toolkit, lot of things are here. Pick a niche. Watch my channel for the video for choosing micro niche and focus only on one niche. Go back to the stream. We talk in detail 10 times today about topical maps. Watch the videos on topical map on the website. Just go to the channel and it would really help you out. And everybody who's not getting views on the website, impression and clicks, implement topical map. I definitely guarantee you will have the view, more impression and more better CTR on your website. But also try to learn overall a little bit of everything. Okay, yeah, website look nice. I like the design and good. So first is this information exchange advice, and oh wow. Okay, another. Who needs all this tool? Like, yeah, this is the problem. Who told you to create these tools on your website? Aman, can you let us know in the chat? This is, you talk about AI and then you create tools about CSS minifier. And then you talk about how to save energy, smart home tech devices. This is really, really bad. You are like, your website is not at all focused. Good thing about your website is your design is really good. I think your design is very good, clean. You work on the website homepage. Oh wow, very decent design actually. You know, you have very good design. I was not expecting this. Very good design, good implementation, just lacking the direction. Pick a direction, create topical map of website. I want you to watch 4 videos on the channel. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, this one, second, third, fourth. You can also find in the playlist topical authority playlist, topical map playlist on my channel, and watch for this one. No, this one. Okay, let me do one thing. Everybody who is facing problem with their website, not views, they have no direction, they're writing about everything, please watch this video. And we take help of AI, which will make your work really, really easy. And trust me, we can come back on next audit, and if you take the action, first of all, if you will take the action, it will take more than a week, like few hours every day, and you still don't get results, we can do a live check. What are you missing? So implement this on your website, and you can get AdSense approval. AdSense approval is not a big thing. Even with this website, any website, you can get AdSense approval. I think you have the good design and stuff, so that's a good point. You can get AdSense approval, but I don't see any direction. And are you writing the AI generated content? How are you writing the content? And too much of AI. Okay, I like this thumbnail. Then these thumbnails. This one is good. I think this is good. Not too much text here. This is nice, but do not. Okay, first of all, what you're doing? 20 hidden. You repeat what you've written here in the thumbnail and the text. What is the purpose? You are missing the space. Put something here which is not written here, like something more clicky and small. Free VPN 2025, free VPN 2025. No, put something here which will impress people, or don't put anything. Put some real picture. For example, like this is, everything is AI generated. Like, trust me, nowadays if I see a website got everything AI generated, I close the site. Nobody want to see the site where they have all AI garbage on the website. No images. Put some images there. It doesn't work. Nobody want to read your content. Next gen blockchains. This is the AI website. I'm 100% sure. Your website is AI garbage. Don't mind my words, but we have to do this reality check. It's high time that people wasted their years and years of time, their money, their efforts and everything on creating this kind of low value website. We have to accept this, that this is not the right way we are going on. Like, this is not acceptable. You can create any content, and I'm very sure, looking at the content you have here, these kind of toolkits, and then your menu and this topic, what we were checking before earlier, like next gen blockchain scalability. Really, this is, I'm sure this is AI content. Yeah, Aman, please focus on real things. Let me know if I am wrong. I can be wrong in a lot of stuff, but for now, with my experience, I am 100% sure, because this is not matching the content what you have. 14 hidden tricks in Android, and then you start talking about advanced ZFS. If you're writing, I give one advice. Okay, add more screenshots, add more pictures. Like, I like this thing, how you edit the commands here. This is really good thing you did here. Really good thing you did here. Do this with other things also, and define a scope of website. Okay, I think yeah, that's enough. And also you have new website, so pick a niche, create topical map. You will see results on your website. Okay, how many people are still? 13 people on the live stream. Wow, guys, what's up? Okay, nice. And Aman, join the group if you want to join the WhatsApp group. And everybody who wants to join the WhatsApp group, I know a lot of people from the group, they're already online right now. I highly recommend you people, and I want you to understand this group is not about a help group. It's not at all a help group. You come there, okay, help me with this, help me with that. No, don't be selfish. Join the group. It is like a family. You want to create a family, you help somebody, you get help from someone. Don't be selfish. If you want just to come there with your, oh, I want this, then I want this, don't listen to everybody, argue with people, don't join this group. You are creating more problems to everybody than you're getting help from for you. So if you want to be part of a long-term community, you want to learn the things, you can join the WhatsApp group. You want to improve, you can join the WhatsApp group. Debate with people with points, valid points. Don't be these people who does useless debates. For example, if somebody tells you that that your let's try to understand an easy example how we can say. If somebody say you, okay, Lightspeed Cache plugin is not a good plugin, then you give your points why it's not a good plugin. Don't say it's a bad plugin. Why? Oh, I think so. No, this is this is not how things work. And this is, the group is not about all these things. The WhatsApp group is about where you can debate on some things and you can learn something and you can teach something and you can grow together from there. If for example somebody else, Webhav, GDA, somebody else is on the group, Adarsh is on the group, somebody else in the group, Pallav is on the group, anybody is on the group, and they're teaching something. Try to understand what people are saying, okay, and then do a research, find proper answers and do learn from this and then come back with questions. Do not do useless arguments and debates there, okay. So this I will recommend you to how you use this group. Anybody who comes in the group asks, hi, give me solution, don't join the group. This is not for you. This is a community. We want to keep this community like super focused. We want to have maybe like, I don't know, 50-100 people in coming years, but the core group which will really see big progress in their life. Okay, let's yeah, Rizwan said, this is the Rizwan, look, I think it's not the first time you come on the stream. You know, you can submit your website via the pinned link in the chat. If you just tell me, it won't be possible to audit website like this. Sir, can this, yeah, it can be approved. Aman, AdSense approve is not a big thing. This is the thing. Okay, you know, this is the thing why I create this group. Sometimes I feel really bad. I feel really bad about my people, about people in the world, where people are making millions of dollars. We are stuck. Our level of tech is like, can we get AdSense approval? Is not a big thing. And also, if you get AdSense approval, is how much money you're making. I know so many people, they make $5, $10 a month, $50 a month, that's all. So don't make this the level. Like, don't focus on the AdSense. Like, why AdSense should not be your first focus, should not be your priority. I don't know what the official data, but people don't make money through AdSense. If you want to make serious money, you need to have so many clicks on your website, so many clicks, lot of traffic. And there are other ways to make money from affiliate marketing and stuff. There are so many ways. So increase the barrier, increase the bar. Don't just say, okay, I want AdSense approval. I feel very bad about something like where we are in technology. Our bar is like AdSense approval. And this is not problem of people. This is a problem of this stupid, that's why now somebody will say, I become very frustrated about YouTubers. Just because they create the unrealistic expectations about all these things. Sir, yeah, please ask question, problem. Thank you, Webber. These some facts, right? I send you WhatsApp group link. You can check the video on the channel. We have the video, because you have to watch the video before you join the channel. Because in this video, I explain what is the purpose of the group, how you ask the question, and how to get help from. So watch the video on the channel. I think last video or second last video, and then you will know how to join the group. And we don't want this group to be like flooded with a lot of people. We want to set clear expectation. This is the issues. This is what you get from the group. This is how you ask the question. So please watch this video first, and then you can join the group from there. How can I join? What's the same question? Go check the channel, please. Okay, vulnerability access video on channel related group. You can find a link. Anjan, even I have 2 website ready with AdSense approval, but can't go in $5. It's been 8 months. Exactly. Thank you so much, Anjan. This is the problem, and I want to accept, guys. Sometimes I think it's a big problem. I want to be very honest with you guys. Sometimes I think just having my channel in English, I'm not helping a lot of people. And also I'm not helping myself. My channel, because it's in English, that's why I have around 40,000 subscribers. If my channel will be in Hindi, I will have like minimum like, I don't know, 500,000, 1 million subscribers until now with all those videos I created in the last many years. But my main target is not to have a lot of subscribers. My target is to give quality information to most of the people. For example, if somebody from South India watches this video, they don't speak Hindi. I know there are a lot of, you cannot make everybody happy. You cannot do everything what you can. But I look at the bigger picture. I make videos in English, but we have auto-dub feature. So people who speak Hindi, they can watch my videos in Hindi. This is a very complicated topic. And I understand this is the reality that people, they spend months and months on AdSense. You just said, you can even go $5. This is the same problem with a lot of people's. Trending Chicha from South and loved your content. Thank you so much, Trending Chicha. So yeah, this is some problem which really make me think about because this YouTube is like literally a big pain for like work wise and time wise for me. Like if I spend all this time on my work, we can money wise we can make much more money here. YouTube is like a lost business, but still like it's we all have social responsibility, so we have to distribute to new generation, younger generation what we learn with our experiences. It's very, very important. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And guys, thank you so much everybody for joining the stream today, and I really appreciate all of your comments and everything. But I request you everybody to help yourself. Do not depend on me or somebody else. YouTube is full of videos. There are official documents of everything. Please read those things. Take your life seriously. Do not waste your time in this guess game. Do not waste your time creating AI generated garbage. Some people they get hurt when I say AI generated garbage, because you are creating AI garbage. And if you think it's personally hurt you, you are lacking some knowledge. Search on this how things works and you will know why I call it AI garbage. Use AI for good things, not for like useless things. Thank you so much. When will next audit? Next audit will be on next Wednesday. Thanks for हमारे YouTube चलाने के लिए. Thank you so much. It's also for me also. I feel very satisfied doing this kind of work. Bro got kidney attack in heart by kidney attack by Max Venus. Are you on Twitter? X. It looks like a very X name. Max Venus. You know, Anjan, your comment we should put on, like, I should make a video about it, you know, actually. I should make a video about it. The reality of AdSense. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Please be kind. Learn more about core concepts. Do not rely on this nonsense, cheap tricks, dirty tricks. In the WhatsApp group, you guys are talking that give me tricks to solve crawl content not index ads. It's not a trick. Create quality content, high value content. Your pages will go from crawl content not index to index. It will happen. Don't look for magical tricks. For core concepts, we are already ready to debate. And please also be nice, be respectful to people who are spending the time to answer you. If somebody is in the group, somebody is telling you that they took a time, please say at least thank you to them that they took their time. Just don't ask next question, or don't say, okay, no, this is not like that. Be kind. If you want to grow as a community, you have to be learn all those things also, okay? So yeah, with that said, let's end the stream for today. Let's see you next next Wednesday on the stream. I was thinking to start Sunday stream also, so maybe I'll put a poll if we should start a stream on Sunday instead of Wednesday, and maybe later the more people are available at the home. But also like Sunday, in my mind, people are on vacation. I also want to spend my Sunday free. I don't want to spend my Sunday on working or doing live streams. So, but let's talk about all these things, and thank you so much for everything, and also yeah, I think that's all. Thank you so much. Have a good day. See you all in the next live stream or in next video. By the way, go back to the channel if you really want to help us. Go back to the channel, watch videos, take notes. Some people say I watched this video. No, you have not watched the video properly. Watch the video, take notes, and implement those things. Don't just watch and then go after 2 days on the website. There are a lot of content for you there. Have a good day, guys. I wish you luck, and then